Okay, this is adjustable power supply. You can adjust your power supply to 0 to 200 something or 250 volts AC. And then this AC now it's set up to 17 volts AC converted to rectifier bridge type with capacitor. The output will be DC, and this is the current in DC 1.58 something. Okay, and this is the voltage secondary DC, which is 17.2. Okay, now it's supply from the dry cell. This is our dry cell, and this is storage water tank supplied to the dry cell, converted to HHO. Now this one, now the output. Okay, so this is my passport. Something happened from there. This one will support, and it will blow from here. You see the hole? Okay, this is my flashback arrestor. It's made of air stone, which is from aquarium. This aquarium, and I have this one-way bulb, which I made it. I put it rubber inside, and then this is the gauge. You can make it open and close or high output. So this is the output now of the HHO. When you adjust the voltage from the primary AC, okay, I will adjust it and look the output become high. It will become high. So this is the advantage of the primary adjustment of the AC. So let us bring back to 17 volts. Okay. Now we will test it, whether the arrestor is working and the one-way bulb is working. If something happened from there, the plus port will work. Okay, our voltage is going to adjust it again. We'll just put it in low. Okay, we'll put it into, as long there is an output. Okay, now we will test it. You will see what happened. Okay. test now. Okay. Fine. Another test. So our arrestor and one-way bulb is working properly.